What's the bubble tea?
It are small balls with something inside, and it's inside coffee.
Maybe not. It's an Asian thing, but I don't know exactly.
Guess another one.
Oh God.
No, oh God, I got it wrong.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿关。我今天来到乌特列之战呢，是为了要接访荷兰人。为什么？因为在17世纪的时候，他们的东印度公司有在台湾待了快要40年的时间，38年。所以今天来接访，看看荷兰人到底对台湾知道有多少呢？就让我们看下去吧。The first question is, do you know where the bubble teas are from? You don't know? No, I don't know.
I don't know.
Korea? Korea. Yes. Okay, actually it's from Taiwan. Yes.
Somewhere from Asia, maybe.
What's the bubble tea?
It are small balls with something inside, and it's inside coffee. It's an Asian drink.
Crazy. It's
I
really
think
strange shit. I don't like it at all.
Okay.
I think it's from Korea or something, maybe.
Okay, it's from Taiwan.
Oh, from Taiwan. Okay.
Taiwan.
He knows. He's the first person to know today. Thank you.
Yeah. Bubble tea is a Korean thing, right?
Korean.
Maybe not. It's an Asian thing, but I don't know exactly.
Guess another one.
Oh God. Bubble tea. Vietnam.
Okay, it's from Taiwan. Yeah, I'm from Taiwan. And second question, can you point out where is Taiwan on the map?
Yeah, close.
Oh my gosh! I think my audience will think like he must know her, or he must have a lot of friends from Taiwan. Can you find where is Taiwan on the map?
Okay.
Yes! Very good. This one? Yes! Oh, high five. High five. High five. High five. Thank you.
I did not know that. What would you guess? What would you guess? Yeah, but here, something like somewhere around.
Taiwan is the little small country dot there.
He knows.
That is Japan.
Yeah, it's Japan.
So that's Madagascar. Or
Oh, Madagascar is here.
This is
shit.
Asia. It's not Madagascar.
Well, I think this one maybe, or I can't decide between those two.
Looks like the sweet potato. Look like sweet potato.
A sweet potato.
Yeah. And you were very close. You were very close.
Dan,
Next
help
to
me.
China. Come on.
Yeah, I'm
Come
going
on.
to take my guess on this one.
Yes,
Okay.
Nice.
you're right. Good job.
You said it right, kind of.
If it comes to Taiwan, what would you think about?
I think about the conflicts that have been going on with China. I was actually, before we started the interview, I was like, man, she's gonna ask me about Taiwan. I'm like, don't know if I know that much.
Like lately, the news has been mostly about China and taking over Taiwan, and the US is pretty pissed about it. But Taiwan, I know mostly about the chip manufacturing that's happening over there.
Yes. Yeah, semiconductor.
Yeah.
Very good.
I think it's probably this nice nature.
Nice name. Yeah.
Yeah, I have the feeling there's like lots of forests and a lot of water too. So maybe there's a lot of sunshine, a lot of
Very
rain.
smart. We have a lot of mountains. Yeah.
Mountains, yeah. Because of the mountains, a lot of rain.
Because we don't have mountains in the Netherlands. So.
No, we only have hills in the Netherlands. It's quite dunes.
Dunes.
Yeah, but it's also nice.
Well, at the moment, with everything going on right now with China, I guess that is the main kind of subject for a lot of Taiwanese people. I guess that is kind of the big main news at the moment.
Wow. Can you make a guess? Can you hold for me? I'm sorry.
Yeah, sure.
Which building is not built from Dutch? Only one. VOC.
These are all built by Dutch. This one is obviously Dutch.
Good.
Suppose, I guess.
This
You
is
know, my
like
first.
a trap.
Yeah, exactly. My first
Tricky.
instinct would be to say this one, but I don't think it is because it'd be too like stereotypical Asian. So I'd say no. I think it's this one.
Oh, it was close. Another guess?
It's this one.
Yes! This is the former British consulate.
So it's not even.
Built from the British people.
Yeah, exactly. Not
Yeah.
Dutch, British.
But you are very good actually.
Built by Dutch people?
Not.
Oh, not built.
Like 3 of them are built from Dutch, but 1 is not.
Okay, I just did the first one.
This one, I think. I think this one is not built by the
Okay,
Dutch.
second possibility.
Okay, this one.
Okay, next possibility.
And then is this one, I think.
Oh my god.
No, is it this one?
Yeah, they are all built from the VOC. And yeah, here it's very similar with our tradition because we rebuilt it somehow. But in the base is like a Dutch castle. And this one is the British former consulate. Yeah.
I think this one is not built by the Dutch.
Okay, yeah. The base is built from Dutch. We rebuilt it. So this is base from Dutch. So
Okay.
guess. Another guess?
This is Western European. This somehow it's
Okay, yeah. So you guess this one?
Yeah, we take that one.
Yeah, actually this one is built from British. So other three is built from Dutch.
it has Roman look, so it must be European. But
Yeah, but it's British. And here all Dutch people building Taiwan. Can you guess which city is Taiwan on this picture?
Okay. Is this one?
It's Thailand. Next
Oh,
guess?
God. I was thinking, I was like, maybe the architecture is just very different.
But you are close.
This one.
Yes! Very good.
This one. That's Taipei Tower.
Ah, you're so good. And what country is this?
This is Seoul,
This?
Tokyo, and I want to say
Similar, our name. Very similar.
Thailand.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Bangkok. He's so good.
Isn't that one Taiwan?
Yes.
With it's called Taipei, something like that.
Taipei 101.
I
Yeah,
don't
it's
know.
Taipei 101. It was
The one of the biggest buildings at the time.
Yeah, it's Taiwan. Oh my god, you know that! You know Taipei 101 used to be the highest building for maybe 6 years. Yeah, from 2004, I guess.
Oh, I don't know that.
I don't remember because I read it before the interview. What about this other country?
I think this one's China because they have like a knockoff Eiffel Tower.
No, it's the place you want to go.
Oh, it is.
It's Japan.
It's Japan.
Tokyo.
Ah,
What about this
Tokyo.
one? I'm so happy that he only knows Taiwan but not other countries. Thank you. This is Korea, so.
Oh, that's Korea. Okay.
And this is very easy from the architecture.
You'd say that. I'm guessing Cambodia, but I don't know actually.
It's very similar with our name. People, they always mix it. People mix our country a lot because the name is very similar.
Similar to Taiwan.
Yeah.
Where's this elephant?
Thailand. It's Thailand.
Thailand.
You know where Thailand?
No.
Thai. Do you speak Thai?
Oh, Thailand. Yeah.
The last question. If Taiwanese people visit to Netherlands, what would you recommend to them to see or to do?
go to the islands up north. Yeah, really, those islands are marvelous. Yeah.
I never been there.
There's dunes and sand the sand is really like smooth and not rocky, and yeah, great place. Should go there.
And you?
And I think everyone should go to Amsterdam if you go here to the Netherlands.
Cycle around.
Yeah, cycle. Try to cycle around. Do a
Don't
little.
eat our food because
No, our food shit.
it's not really good. I think yours is so much better.
Yeah, our food is really shit. So just look for like nice restaurants that will serve other kitchens.
Yeah, definitely.
Not like don't eat the typical Dutch food. And a boat tour.
Boat tour is always nice. Oh yeah, the canals.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
the canals. And go to the flower fields.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
That's
the
pretty.
tulips.
What's the
The
name?
tulips.
The very famous thing near Leiden.
Yeah, exactly.
What's the place name?
Koebenhof.
Yeah, the Keukenhof.
Keukenhof.
Keukenhof, indeed.
That's pretty.
Yeah, that is a good one in spring. Yeah.
Okay.
If you were to come to the Netherlands, where would you go? Not Amsterdam because it's too touristy. Here in Utrecht is a good place. I really love Den Bosch, Sertogenbos.
Den Bosch.
Yeah, it's like when you take the train to Eindhoven. It's the first stop on the way over there when you take the intercity. And it's in Brabant. That's also a very nice place. The Delta works in Zeeland are also very interesting because it's like the typical struggle of the Dutch people against the water. It's these really big movable dams
I
that
went
can
there
keep
before.
the Oosterscheldekering it's called.
Okay.
That's also a very interesting place.
You should visit Taiwan next time because we have very nice
absolutely.
mountains. We have ocean. It's
Bubble
like an
tea as
island
well.
and have everything.
Yeah.
Like cheap street food.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, this is a good one because
very
this is
nice.
Taroko.
This is
very
the most
beautiful.
famous national park in Taiwan.
Wow.
Yeah, it's on the east side.
You can already see the mountains here.
And has
Very beautiful.
very nice cliffs.
Yeah.
Everybody.
Yeah.
Because if you travel to like some big country in Asia, you take time to like go transportation. But Taiwan is an island, so you don't take much time to go everywhere.
Yeah,
You can
it's
stay
like the
long.
Netherlands, just tiny.
Yeah, visit Taiwan, please.
Yeah. Absolutely.
I really
Definitely add it to my
visit
list.
for sure.
Absolutely.
It is on my list. As well, I've got a friend from Hong Kong, and she really wants me to visit there as well. So I think
Hong Kong, Taiwan is only 1 hour by plane.
only 1 hour. Okay.
今天来到的乌特勒支，它为荷兰的第4大城。它是一个中世纪古城，有不少中世纪留下来的历史建筑。最著名的是旧运河两旁100年历史的地窖，现在都改建成了餐厅、酒吧。虽然大部分的人都不太知道珍珠奶茶是从哪里来的，但他们都有听过台湾，也可以指出台湾在哪里。希望他们有朝一日能够来台湾走走。今天这位带着画本的美女说，她去过的每一个国家，没有一个地方是不漂亮的，每一座山都是独一无二的山，都有自己独特的美。希望每个人都可以少带点刻板印象，拥有更开阔的心胸去认识不同文化的人事物，走走世界每个不同的角落。